Hi, welcome to Good Old RVing. I'm Greg, and welcome back, I should be saying. Today we're going to talk about interior door handles. Real simple subject. I had to replace a few because the springs had broke. Here's the old ones right here, and here's the old centerpiece. This seems to be okay, but one of the handles, I think it was one of the other doors, I just replaced them both so they'd match. But I can just try to save you the trouble of going through what I had to go through to find a couple door handles to replace inside the RV. So stay tuned, because let's get right into it.
Okay, so right here, you see the broke thinners right there? Look at that. See that? And so I'm going to change that because it's pretty much broken. It should be straight up like that, but the spring I think broke. So I'm going to change that out right
now. Okay, and so now that you've seen the problem I have with the door handles, I'm gonna bring on a ride with me. Let's go check out Camping World first, and then we'll go to Lowe's, and then we'll go to Home Depot, then we'll come home, install them, and finished product. Hey, how y'all doing? I'm Greg. I'm fixing to go to Camping World and check on some door handles because the bathroom door handle broke. So come on with me. Let's see what happens. All right, you have a great one. Oh, this is Good Old RVing, by the way. Okay. Talk to you later. I made it to Camping World. Time to go inside and see what they have. Still looking for that door handle. Okay, so it turns out they don't have the latch I'm looking for, but I was informed that Home Depot or Lowe's might just have what I'm looking for. So that's where I'm headed now. On the road again. Okay, so I made it here to Home Depot, and it looks like there's no line, so I'm just going to go on in there and see what kind of door handles they have. Okay, here we go. Okay, it looks like they got a pretty good variety of door handles. That looks pretty good. That looks a little smaller. That looks good too. This one's a little fancy. This one has a lock in it. Quick set. How about this one here? It's another quick set. Doesn't feel as strong. Here we go. Defiant. Let's see what we got here. Here's a keyed $21.95 right here. And here's a bed and bath for $20.97. All right. Then there's a hallway closet right here for $19. Okay, I think these are the ones I'm looking at here. I think these are the ones I'm gonna get. That's for a front door right there. I don't need that. Okay, so real simple, just a small Phillips screwdriver, stick it in the hole here, Okay, as you can see right here, I had to literally carve that out. I just used a carving chisel and I just carved this out. So this right here, where are you? Flush down inside. You see how thick it is, right? It needed to fit flush down in here so it would clear the door. So I carved that out. Then depending on how they cut the holes, right here and here, okay, you have a choice. You could either go through this one, like that, or you could go through this one, like that. You see the difference? So with this gap right here, between this right here and where the hole is drilled for this section, if it's longer, deeper this way, then you need to go to the deeper holes. But if it's shallow, then you need to go to the shallower holes. Okay? So I'm going to show you how easy it is to put in. So after I chiseled this down right here, then simply with this facing the door trim, you just slide it in here. Alright, and yes, it's tight. Okay, just like that. Just suggestion is not to go all the way tight, in case you need to shift it or move it a little bit. Just put it in here to hold it, basically. You're going to go to the outside of the door, just like that. Boom. And the screws will go to the inside of the door that hold it together. Like this. Boom. See how easy that was? Okay, then you get the handle put on there snug. And don't forget to remove the plastic spacer between that comes on the door handles. There's a little plastic spacer. If you have a thicker door, that's what you use. But when you have thinner doors, you have to remove it so it'll sit tight against the door when you install it. Okay, there's that one. And that one. Finish tightening these two. Just like that. Just snug. You don't have to make them super tight. See, so this is recessed just enough to where it'll clear now. No one's coming in. Unlock it. Closed. Now on this door, too easy. I did not have to trim this because I guess they made this entryway a little bit wider. And so that fit just fine without trimming that and tucking it in. But on the bedroom door, I had to actually trim it. And that's what all those little carvings are on the floor right there. From trimming that out, I have to sweep that up now. Okay, so the new handles are on the doors. I'm happy. I hope that you really thought this was useful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments, please comment me, and I will be happy to answer any questions that I'm capable of answering. I'm a do-it-yourself kind of person. Everything I've done myself, to include warranty work. And so, yeah, really good to have you aboard. You have a great day. Bye.